If you're looking to buy physical gold or silver from a trusted dealer with competitive pricing, email Miles Franklin at info@milesfranklin.com. Make sure you let them know Slayer sent you because his audience gets access to a special price sheet that they don't advertise publicly.
All right, folks, welcome back. Happy 4th of July. I hope you're having an incredible day with friends and family as we celebrate America's birthday. It's not just America's birthday, though, that we can celebrate. It's also this channel's birthday. I created this channel on July 4th, 2015. And you guys can see I'm wearing my America First merch on the back. Looks really good as well. Really cool design. And if you guys want to purchase those, I have, since it's July 4th, a discount code for you. If you use Slayer47, you can get 15% off of your order. So take advantage of that while you can. Now, this video is crazy. It's going to be crazy, to be honest, because what we're talking about is the entire reason why my name is Silver Slayer and not Gold Guy and not Bitcoin Boy or whatever. Silver has opportunity beyond anything else by far because of what we're going to cover in this video, and the numbers are very shocking. Like, it's hard to believe how valuable, how needed, how critical of a role silver plays to literally make the world go round, as it's the most highly conductive metal for thermal conductivity, electricity, and light sensitivity, and the amount of silver we need as we advance in this new digital era with AI chips and nuclear reactors and military and warfare and satellites and drones and anything you could think of. All of that is reliant on silver, but like the title of this article says, silver's on the brink of extinction. So what happens when we run out of silver and these AI companies, these EV companies, all of these companies, these businesses that are reliant can't get their hands on it, including us? That is where silver's true price will shine. That is where supply versus demand comes in. Low supply, high demand shoots the price up. And with something as valuable as silver, when people start to realize this, that's when we start to see silver take on a life of its own, beyond gold, beyond anything. Because silver is much more valuable than gold in terms of its use. So if you want to look at something and look at where it's headed, if you're investing into something, you want to invest into something that's useful, but also becoming more scarce. And silver is that, especially right now as prices are held down purposely. Let's take advantage of that because someday silver its true value will come out. That's a given. So, with that said, make sure you subscribe. I post every single day. And if you guys want to purchase these shirts, Slayer47 for 15% off, let's jump into it. UPS orders hundreds of flying cars requiring massive 15 kilograms of silver per aircraft. As a systemic 6-year supply deficit pushes silver towards extinction, explosive global EVTOL or eVTOL manufacturing scales up, requiring millions of ounces for next-generation solid-state aviation batteries. Now, the numbers we're going to show in this video are crazy. And I've always, not always, but since about 2019, I really started to see how dangerous the silver shortage will become. And like Elon Musk even tweeted a couple months ago, he talked about how dangerous a silver shortage is for industry. He especially would know more than anyone else with SpaceX and Tesla and Starlink. You know, he needs a direct source. So let's look at this in like 4 or 5 years down the line. By 2030, what would this all look like? The numbers are crazy. And I remember hearing someone mention, I think in 2019, they said, if you think we have enough silver to go green, you're living in La La Land. And that always stuck with me. I think that was the first time the reality truly hit me of where this all is going to play out. So let's talk about this. The era of mass aviation adoption has arrived with eVTOL's auto flight's historic 20-minute autonomous flight between Shenzhen and Zhuhai. By conquering a grueling 3-hour, 31-mile highway commute across the Pearl River Delta in a fraction of the time, this 5-seater electric air taxi proves the immense practical value of eVTOL technology. This staggering time-saving capability is the ultimate catalyst that will drive immediate passenger demand and force rapid global manufacturing scaling. Now, this was inevitable. Like, if you think about the future, like a sci-fi movie, everything's digital, right? These towers, the city, the towers and flying cars and everything, that's all silver. Silver is going to be needed more than ever in the future, but we're using less and less and less of it, right? Supply deficit, 6th year supply deficit, over 1 billion ounces in the red just the last like 5-6 years alone. Like, we don't have enough silver to keep up with this. So utilizing silver-based solid-state battery technology is a game changer for flight. By offering twice the energy density, by offering twice the range of lithium ion at half the weight of traditional lithium ion batteries, it directly solves aviation's greatest constraint, weight management. At a baseline requirement of 15 kilograms of silver per eVTOL aircraft, here is how the global silver requirements scale alongside production. So here's the year 2026. Annual units 800, cumulative fleet units 800, silver required is 12,000 kilograms. 2027, 1,600 units, cumulative fleet units 2,400, amount of silver required is 24,000 kilograms. 2028, 3,200 units, cumulative fleet units is 5,600, that's 48,000. Skipping forwards to 2030, we would need 192,000 kilograms of silver with 12,800 units and fleet units at 24,000. So let's talk about that. The calculations, the grand total silver required is 372,000 kilograms. Ounce conversions, because precious metals are uniquely traded on global markets using a different weight system than standard commercial goods. Here's the conversion for both standards. Precious metals in troy ounces, that's what I wanted to know. That is 11,960,078 troy ounces. Almost 12 million ounces. To support the manufacturing of these 24,800 high-performance aircraft, the global eVTOL industry will require approximately 12 million troy ounces of silver by the end of 2030. Now, Burlington, Vermont, the rapidly accelerating electro-vertical takeoff landing (EVT) sector or eVTOL sector is quietly emerging as a massive driver of industrial silver demand, following a high-profile Good Morning America broadcast featuring Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy flying in a Beta Technologies aircraft. Market analysts are turning their attention to the critical weight-saving technology making these commercial flights possible: silver-infused solid-state batteries. And this is what I've talked about before. Like when Samsung's silver solid state battery came out, with so much silver needed, I was mentioning like that's just going to be the first, right? It charges the cars way faster. The half-life is way longer. That's just the first. There's going to be several more. And as we advance, even if production is down with solar or whatever, the direction we're going in this new technological era, no matter what you replace, or even if something goes down, it's going to still take over and use more silver than whatever the asset is or whatever the product is that's down that year. Like photography used to use a lot of silver, but as cameras became, less relevant since everyone has an iPhone, cameras went way down, but it still got replaced by everything else, right? And that's just naturally what's going to happen. So we do not have enough to go green. We don't have enough to go to do any of this. Eventually, I would say by the next like 4 or 5 years, it's really going to be apparent. And I used to tell people back in like 2019, 2020, I think silver will explode by the year 2025 to 2026 because of this. And I was spot on. I was spot on. That is exactly when silver did explode from $30 to $121. It was literally 2025 to 2026. I wish someone could pull up a clip of me saying that like back in 2019, because people would always ask me like, when do you think silver is going to explode? I would always say by the year 2025 to 2026, and I was spot on. So but by the year 2030, when this really starts affecting industry, oh my gosh, if you think silver would still be sitting at $60 by then, with how bad the shortage is going to be, that would be like an 11 straight year structural deficit. The deficits are only getting bigger. We produce around 820 million ounces on a good year, but production, or production could be 820, 850 million ounces, but demand could be 1.5 billion ounces easy, right? I mean, even if it's down to 1.05 billion this year or whatever, or 1.21 billion ounces last year, just looking at these flying aircrafts, the amount of silver it needs, and all of the other things with AI chips and these data centers and XYZ, easily could be 1.5 billion ounces. And even if it's not, that's still hundreds of millions of ounces in the red, even if we ramp up recycling. So, anyways, for precious metals markets, this translates to a massive 11.96 million troy ounce of new high-grade industrial demand locked directly into aerospace infrastructure as silver continues to solidify its dual identity as both monetary hedge and indispensable high-tech industrial commodity. The ETH boom represents a permanent structural shift in global silver consumption that miners and institutional investors cannot afford to ignore. So yeah, silver's on the brink of extinction. So yeah, 100 million ounce silver in measured and indicated resources, 73 in provable. Oh, they're talking about some mining company that he's getting paid to mention. But we are not paid to mention any mining companies today, so we are not going to be talking about them. But anyways, folks, I love you all. If you guys want to purchase precious metals, since they're talking about sponsorships, hit up Miles Franklin, send an email to info@milesfranklin.com, let him know Slayer sent you, and ask for the special price sheet. They don't advertise it, so if you don't mention Slayer sent you and ask for it, you won't get it. So let him know Slayer sent you, because Andy Scheckman hooks my audience up specifically with this sheet. Anyways, info@milesfranklin.com. Let him know Slayer sent you. Happy birthday, America. Happy birthday to this channel. And yeah, buy these shirts. America First. Slayer 47, 15% off. They look really good. So yeah, you guys can see them in the description right there. It'll show the pictures of them. Yeah. So anyways, take advantage of that as well. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.